Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices. And today we have confirmed deal of the day 2 and actually deal of the day 3 as well. But before we jump in, if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. Maybe turn on the notification bell. That way you get these notifications of when these deals are happening as soon as possible. I do my best to get them out to you as quickly as I can. That way you have a few days to plan off my pedestal. Deal of the day 1, technically not over for everybody. If you're in the West Coast, your store probably closes around 8 o'clock. This might be out just before they close. $99 for the Daytona 3-ton low profile jack and $40 for the Icon 1000 lumen slim bar light. For those of you who was successful in getting their Daytona jack, who was successful in getting their light, I've heard and seen some success stories, seen some not so success stories, seen some Facebook Marketplace listings go up as soon as Harbor Freight opened, which is wild, but it is what it is. Hopefully the HARBROs were able to take advantage of the deal. Let me know if you were able to, and we'll go into the deals of the day. We'll do a little bit of a deep dive into the Apache cases, which is deal of the day 2. 40% off all Apache cases, which is an excellent deal. So we'll go through some of the Apache cases, and then here it is clearly 40% off all the Apache cases, and then we'll zoom in. Day 3, 40% off all Vanguard extension cords, and 33% off for the Yukon 5-tier shelf. Now, we don't need to do a deep dive into the Yukon 5-tier shelf because it speaks for itself, 33% off. Good deal on storage. But we will look at some of the Vanguard extension cords, also 40% off. So let's go ahead and jump right in and start with the Apache cases. And let's sort these from high to low. And let's already get our calculator ready. And we'll look at this first Apache. This is the 9800 weatherproof protective rifle case, long tan, but also available in black and green. 150 IP65 rated pre-drilled holes for padlocks, easy open latches, pick apart foam, adjustable pressure relief valve, heavy duty ball bearings, and at 150 at 40% off. You're getting it for $90, $60 off. Anybody thinking about getting this 9800 Apache case? Definitely the time to get it if you are. $60 off. And this one is super interesting. If I traveled more, I'd probably get this. But this is the Apache 5800 weatherproof protective rolling carry-on case, extra large, $100. We don't need to do the math, but we will. $100 at 40% off is $40 off. And you're getting this for $60 for a rolling carry-on case, extra large. Fits in most airline sized compartments. That's wild. That's absolutely wild. That's you're spending a lot more on some other brand name carry-on cases, and here you are getting this one potentially for $60, and it's IP65 rated. It has latches, pick up and pull foam inserts, adjustable pressure valve relief, also pre-drilled for padlock, smooth rolling casters. Definitely a good deal here. And then you have your classic Apache, the 4800, the 3800, or the 2800 weatherproof protective cases. Difference being, in the 1800 case, difference being just different sizes, small, medium to large to extra large. But the one I want to focus in on is the Apache 3800 because it is also on instant savings. Now, the naysayers will say that we cannot stack this and that this cannot be stacked. But nay, the naysayers, and I say I will pay for this Apache 3800 weatherproof protective case for $35, and I will try to stack it because from the feedback I've gotten from the HARBROs is that a lot of the times instant savings will stack with other deals. Now, technically it might not be, but I've heard plenty of feedback that that's the case. So you're already saving $5 with the instant savings, but if you're getting this now for 40% off, you're getting this large orange, either black or tan as well, for $21. $21. Strong secure latches, pre-drilled holes for padlocks, adjustable pressure relief valve, IP65 rated for watertight and dustproof pick apart foam for 21 bucks. That's going to be better, only a few dollars more than the next size down. So excellent deal here. No harm in asking. I would say don't ask them, see if they stack it, and hopefully they will, because these instant savings tend to be the new lowest prices. So definitely give that a shot if you're in the market for one of these. And then, of course, we have the 550 weatherproof clear case, which is solid just if you need a small carrying case that you need to keep dry for knickknacks and doodads and doodahs. But that's the Apache, 40% off. Who is looking to get some Apache? But let's look at next, Vanguard. Now, I've saw some feedback on Vanguard in general. Now, there was a few naysayers saying nay on Vanguard, but at 40% off, I'm willing to take a chance on some Vanguard. Extension cords in general, I feel like once they reach this $125 range, it's out of my expertise because I'm not using extension cords in that capacity, but I know some of you are. So feedback is extremely useful. Let me know in the comments what you think of Vanguard. I saw some feedback, so I'm not 100% sold on Vanguard, but at 40% off, I'm willing to take some flyers, and I'm sure many of you out there will as well. So let's look at this first one. The 100-foot by 10 and 3 gauge triple tap extension cord in yellow. And it looks like there's some mystery Pokemon here. Look, there's a Venomoth. You can use it up to a breaker hammer, 20 amps. This is the super heavy duty yellow 10 gauge. So this covers all the equipment, which is excellent. And at $125, assuming you can stack the 40% off, you're getting this for 75 bucks. Original price $140, which is almost 50% off an extension cord. Now 75 bucks, it's still a little bit pricey if you ask me, but maybe you're not asking me. Maybe you're just listening and you know what an extension cord is. In this case, 75 bucks, still a little steep, but the big thing is Vanguard worth it? So let me know. Is this an excellent deal? Willing to take a flyer on Vanguard? You could always return it. Harbor Freight has pretty decent return policies, especially for something like this. The other one that I saw some people interested in is this Vanguard 40-foot, 14 and 3 gauge retractable cord reel with triple tap black. Now you might be saying, hey, that's not an extension cord, that's a cord reel. Well, I counter that with Exhibit A, product overview. Mount this extension cord reel to your wall. What does it say? Product overview, this extension cord reel. So if you were arguing, if I was arguing, I would say this is an extension cord because it says it in the product overview. Now, if that's the case, you have a retractable cord reel, extension cord. That's going to get wires off the floor and reduce tripping hazards, which is just great for organization. Be kind of nice to have, to be honest, at 85 bucks and at 40% off. You're getting it for 51 bucks, saving about $33, $34. So wouldn't be too bad of a pickup if one, Vanguard is good, and two, this is actually counts as an extension cord. And then you have the rest, the 100-foot, the 50-foot yellow. Well, this one's the 12 and 3 gauge multiple outlet extension cord with an indicator light. Here's the 50-foot, 10 and 3 gauge triple tap extension cord, yellow. Then we have the 100-foot, 12 and 3 gauge outdoor extension cord in orange. And you have the rest of your classic extension cords, but I will focus in on this other extension cord, Vanguard 50-foot, 12 and 3 gauge outdoor extension cord. Normally 40 bucks, already down to 35 bucks with the instant savings. And that's why it's the focus, because then if you're able to stack it 40% off, you're getting it for 21 bucks. $21. Recommends a shop vac, looks like a table saw or a jackhammer. What is your gauge on Vanguard? Let me know in the comments. 21 bucks, great deals, 40% off of these extension cords. This is the time to stock up, especially if Vanguard is something that everyone comes to a consensus on. And to not let it feel left out, we have the Yukon 5-tier shelf. Normally 60 bucks, it's going to be 33% off. So you'll get it for $40. And at 72 inches tall, you are getting quite a bit of storage. 5-tier storage rack, 150 pounds per shelf. person for comparison. And those are the days of the deals of the day. Day 1 almost coming to an end. Here it says you already missed it, but not all of you have. Daytona Jack, Icon Light. Day 2 tomorrow, 40% off Apache. Day 3, 40% off extension cords and the shelf. What are you lining up to get? Who again got their Jack? Who got their light? Who's in it for some Apache cases at 40% off? And who's getting their extension cord also 40% off? Let me know. And as always, good luck out there. Happy shopping, happy Harbor Freighting. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.